Toyota is launching a compact pickup that's going to undercut the entire segment with a combination of efficiency, space, and value that makes current options look overpriced. If you're considering pulling the trigger on a Ford Maverick or Hyundai Santa Cruz, you need to see what the Stout is bringing to the table first. While most compact trucks force you to compromise on either price, fuel economy, or capability, the Stout is engineered to deliver all three without asking you to sacrifice anything. So, let's dive in. Number 6. Compact pickup that actually looks attractive. Here's the uncomfortable truth about today's compact pickup segment. Most of these trucks look confused about their own identity. The Hyundai Santa Cruz tries too hard to be a crossover, with styling that's so rounded and soft that many buyers struggle to see it as a legitimate truck. Those smooth lines and car-like proportions send the wrong message for a vehicle that's supposed to haul gear and tackle work. The Maverick has the opposite problem. While it looks more truck-like than the Santa Cruz, the design is disappointingly bland and uninspiring. That's where the Stout is going to change everything. Toyota isn't playing it safe with generic styling. The production version is going to carry over the bold design language from the EPU concept, and what that means is a pickup that looks purposeful without being overstyled. Angular lines are going to combine with modern LED lighting to create a front end that's both aggressive and aerodynamically efficient. Those sculpted wheel arches aren't just for show. They're contributing to a stance that actually looks ready for work. The grille design is taking inspiration from electrified Toyota models, and short overhangs make the truck look properly proportioned rather than stretched or compressed. But attractive styling means nothing if you can't afford to fill the tank, which is where the next feature becomes critical. Number 5. Super efficient hybrid powertrain. One of the biggest frustrations with owning a truck is watching your hard-earned money vanish at the gas pump every single week. Even compact pickups can drain your wallet when fuel prices spike, turning what should be an affordable transportation solution into a budget killer. That's exactly why the Stout's hybrid powertrain is going to be such a relief for buyers. This isn't a mild hybrid system that barely moves the needle. We're talking about a full hybrid setup borrowed directly from the Corolla Cross that's targeting over 40 miles per gallon combined. With a 196 horsepower system built around proven Toyota technology, you're getting efficiency that will make every other compact pickup look wasteful. The current Maverick hybrid sits at around 37 miles per gallon combined, but the Stout is going to exceed those figures by a significant margin. Think about what that means in practical terms. A tank of gas that used to get you through a week is now lasting you a week and a half. Those weekend trips to the hardware store or the lake stop being accompanied by mental calculations about fuel costs. And the instant torque delivery from the electric motor is going to make the Stout feel more responsive in real-world driving. Toyota has proven with the Corolla Cross that this hybrid system is both reliable and refined, so you're getting proven technology rather than an experimental powertrain. Of course, efficiency doesn't matter much if you and your passengers are cramped and miserable, so let's talk about space. Number 4. Excellent passenger space. Most compact pickups make a critical mistake. They prioritize exterior compactness at the expense of interior room, leaving passengers cramped and uncomfortable. But Toyota engineered the Stout with a crucial advantage that's going to completely change the space equation. Because this truck was originally designed as an all-electric vehicle, it features a wheelbase that stretches nearly 132 inches. For context, that's significantly longer than the Maverick's 121-inch wheelbase and the Santa Cruz's 118.3-inch wheelbase. And here's why that matters. Wheelbase length directly translates to interior space, particularly rear legroom. With those short overhangs, Toyota has pushed the wheels to the corners of the truck. What that accomplishes is remarkable. The second row of seats is going to offer adult-friendly legroom that neither the Maverick nor Santa Cruz can match. This isn't a token back seat where passengers have to contort themselves. We're talking about a legitimate space where full-size adults can sit comfortably on longer trips. Now, all that extra space would be wasted if the cabin itself felt cheap and poorly designed, which brings us to the interior. Number 3. Good-looking cabin. Affordable trucks usually make painful compromises on interior quality, but the Stout is going to challenge that assumption. Despite targeting an aggressive price point, this cabin is going to feature materials and build quality that feels substantially more upscale than the budget positioning would suggest. The dashboard design is taking cues from Toyota's latest vehicles, which means clean lines and an intuitive layout. The materials are going to be durable rather than luxurious, but the fit and finish is going to be tight, with panel gaps that are consistent and surfaces that feel solid to the touch. We're expecting to see Toyota's latest infotainment system with wireless smartphone integration as a standard feature across the lineup. That means Apple CarPlay and Android Auto without the hassle of cables. The seating is going to balance support with comfort, designed for all-day use with proper bolstering. Climate controls are going to be straightforward and effective with physical buttons and knobs that you can operate without taking your eyes off the road. We all know the frustration of a truck interior that seems designed by someone who's never actually used a truck. The Stout's cabin is going to feature storage solutions that are practical and well thought out, with spaces sized for actual items you'll carry. But a comfortable cabin is only part of the equation. You also need a truck that can handle more than just pavement. Number 2. Solid off-road performance. Compact pickups aren't supposed to be serious off-roaders, but the Stout is going to offer capability that exceeds what most buyers expect from this segment. And it all starts with standard all-wheel drive across the lineup. There's nothing worse than getting stuck on a muddy trail or snowy driveway because your truck can't find traction. The Stout's hybrid all-wheel drive system is going to deliver power to the wheels that can use it exactly when they need it. Ground clearance is going to be respectable for a unibody pickup, and those short overhangs are going to deliver approach and departure angles that allow the Stout to tackle obstacles without scraping bumpers. For anyone planning to venture beyond pavement, the Stout is going to include features that make a difference. Hill descent control is going to be part of the package, helping you maintain controlled speeds on steep declines. And the hybrid system's instant torque delivery is actually an advantage in low-speed off-road situations where precise throttle control is critical. Work capability is going to be solid for a unibody platform, with numbers competitive with other compact pickups in this class. All these capabilities sound impressive, but none of them matter if you can't actually afford to buy the truck, which is why the pricing is going to shock you. Number 1. Attractive price. Here's where Toyota is going to completely upend the compact pickup market, pricing that will make buying anything else feel irrational. We're talking about a hybrid pickup truck with all the capabilities we've just discussed, starting at approximately $20,000. Let that sink in for a moment. A brand new pickup truck with a proven hybrid powertrain, standard all-wheel drive, excellent fuel economy, and legitimate usability for around $20 grand. For comparison, the current Maverick hybrid starts at around $27,500, and the Santa Cruz begins at approximately $28,500. The Stout is going to undercut both of them by thousands of dollars while offering superior efficiency and more interior space. This pricing isn't just aggressive, it's disruptive. And for buyers, that means access to Toyota's legendary reliability and extensive dealer network at a price point that makes ownership accessible to people who've been priced out of new trucks. Think about the total cost of ownership equation. You're starting with a purchase price that's thousands less than the competition, then you're operating a vehicle that's getting over 40 miles per gallon, which means your fuel costs are going to be minimal. Toyota's hybrid systems have proven themselves to be durable and low maintenance, and Toyota's resale values are consistently strong. At around $20,000, the Stout isn't just competing with other compact pickups. It's positioned to steal sales from used trucks, small SUVs, and even sedans. Toyota is essentially forcing every other manufacturer to rethink their pricing strategy in this segment. Because once the Stout arrives, how do you justify paying significantly more for less efficiency and less space? The Toyota Stout is shaping up to be the compact pickup that finally gets everything right. Attractive styling that actually looks like a truck, hybrid efficiency that will save you thousands at the pump, spacious interior that can fit real adults in comfort, quality cabin materials that punch above the price point, genuine off-road capability with standard all-wheel drive, and a starting price around $20,000 that makes the competition look overpriced. Toyota isn't just entering the compact pickup segment, they're redefining what buyers should expect from an affordable truck, and once the Stout arrives, it's going to be nearly impossible to justify spending more for less anywhere else in this class. Still, Ford won't just watch Toyota steal its sales. The Maverick, especially its hybrid version, is getting serious updates for the next year, and you can check them out in our next video. The electrified Maverick will finally be offered with all-wheel drive, and it will be able to tow significantly more than the outgoing model.